Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set 1-inch margins in Google Docs. Properly setting margins ensures your document looks clean, professional, and easy to read, which is especially important for reports, essays, or any formal documents. So, if you want to change margins in Google Docs, the first step is to open your document in Google Docs. Once your document is open, click on the File menu in the top left corner. Next, click on Page Setup. You'll see a pop-up window labeled Page Setup. In this window, you'll find a section called Margins. The default measurement is already set in inches. Suppose you want to set 1-inch margins, simply enter 1 in the boxes for top, bottom, left, and right margins. After you've entered 1 for all 4 margins, click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. By following this simple method, you can easily change margins in Google Docs. Proper margins help your document look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.